Did your check engine light pop up with code P10? Don't panic, here is what it means and how to fix it fast. P10 stands for a camshaft position actuator circuit open on bank 1. Simply put, your car's main computer lost electrical control over the variable valve timing VVT solenoid that controls intake camshaft timing. When this code triggers, you'll likely notice a rough engine idle, a noticeable loss of acceleration power, rattling noises from the engine bay, and worse, fuel economy. What causes code P10? Dirty or low engine oil. Sludge blocks oil flow to the VVT solenoid. Failed VVT solenoid. Internal coil electrical failure or stuck valve. Damaged wiring. Loose, corroded, or frayed wires at the solenoid connector. Here's how to fix it in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Check your engine oil. If it's dirty, dark, or low, perform a full oil change with fresh, correct viscosity oil. Step 2. Inspect the bank 1 VVT solenoid wiring harness for corrosion or loose connections. Step 3. Measure solenoid resistance using a multimeter. If it reads outside 6 to 13 ohms or shows infinite resistance, replace the VVT solenoid. Once fixed, clear the code with your scanner. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more quick repair guides.